This is a hadith narrated by Safiha that the Messenger of Allah said, "The caliphate after me will last for 30 years, then there will be kingship." This hadith is recorded in Sunan al-Tirmidhi and Sunan Abi Dawud.
Hmm.
The 30-year period usually refers to the caliphates of the four caliphs: Abu Bakr, which had 2 years; Umar, 10 years; Uthman, 12 years; Ali, 6 years. These caliphates are considered the golden age of Islam. Do you think Ali's caliphate was really a golden age of Islam? We see Ali's caliphate full of conflicts and wars leading to sizable human casualties and divisions amongst the Muslims.
You see, I mean, even if there were casualties, even if there were deaths, or even if things happened that should not have happened, I would still say that the first four caliphs, they constitute the rightly guided caliphate. In fact, the Khulafa-e-Rashideen, as the title goes, it's a title that has been given by a vast majority of our scholars, precisely for the reason that this was the golden age. And yes, by the time Ali had ascended the throne, there was a significant downfall, and it started with his times. But I would still count him amongst the righteous caliphs. And there were certain errors and omissions that took place in his reign, which caused a lot of bloodshed. And later on, the transfer of power that took place also had a number of questions that have still not been fully, probably satisfactorily answered. But yes, but this happens. I mean, it doesn't take away anything from his caliphate. So I would still count it amongst the rightly guided caliphate.